Is there anything better than eating a hot bowl of ramen in the cold, in the snowstorm? I'm gonna have some shin ramen today. Let's eat. Everything's in the pot just cooking away. But now, I guess I just wait. I think it's ready. Holy moly. Woo-hoo. If you've never had this before, it's instant noodles, really, really spicy. The noodles themselves, if you cook it right, can be pretty al dente and tasty. People say there's a ton of sodium and MSG in here, which there probably is, but I think that's what makes it super, super delicious. Because usually, this is piping hot, but since it's so cold outside, it just cools down right before it goes into your mouth. Oh, shit, it still is pretty hot. One sip of this broth will cure a hangover, just totally warm up your soul. Pretty cold outside. I'm gonna run in, finish shoveling. Hopefully everyone's staying safe.